Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Form video. So today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Emigvela Type-C PD power bank. So this is pretty cool. I did get to send this as a review, but it's not sponsored, so I'm not getting paid for my opinion. This is my honest opinion on it, guys. This is Amazon's top seller, so you can get it off of Amazon. And let's find out why it's Amazon's top seller. Like I said, you can get it at Amazon.com, a description below. I will have affiliate links to it, so if you purchase from there, they will give me a little extra change for that. So there's the company's name right there. It's pretty cool. Type-C PD power banks, pretty cool. High quality, multi protect, safety, intelligent, high speed. So safety precautions: do not disassemble. So yeah, don't try to disassemble. Keep charger away from fire, water, high temperatures to avoid malfunction. If the charger has not been used for a long time, 6 months or more, recharge fully before use. When not in use, always keep the charger switched off to save energy and extend the battery. It's pretty cool. So let's see what else is back here. So it says power, charger, cable, laptop battery, auto electronics. Thank you for buying and using our products. We will continue to provide customers with high quality products. More new products will come. Please pay attention to us. Pretty cool. So very nice. Let's see what we get inside. Pretty excited, guys. I've actually been thinking about getting a power bank for a while now, because I actually was traveling last week for about 2-3 hours. Went down to do some shopping and was taking a lot of pictures and everything, and was actually running out of battery on my phone, was dying. So honestly, I wish I had a power bank with me. So why not? This is pretty cool. So wow, let's check this puppy out. Wow. So let's see what we get inside. So we do get a user manual. Little user manual. It does tell you a little bit of information in the back. Let's see if this thing, there we go. So power button, feature printing. Where's that at? Oh, right there. Casing, Type-C PD port, LED digital display, power indicator, USB port, 2.4 amps max, product parameter printing, logo printing. So here we go. Here are some of the outputs. So Type-C input current is DC 5 volts, 3A, 9 volts, 3A, 12 volts, 3A, 15 volts, 3A, 20 volts, 2.5, geez, max. And then USB A output, DC 5V, or 5 volts, I guess, 2.5, 2.4 amps max. So very cool. Capacity, guys, this is a crazy thing. It's 20,000 milliamps. Weight is 410 grams. You also get your double-sided Type-C here, dual-sided, as you can see right here. It's pretty cool. As well as, I guess, your transfer cable or charging cable, whichever way you want to use it. So pretty cool. You can either use this to charge your phone or to charge the Type-C power bank. So let's get into it. Wow, I like the packaging right out the gate. Wow, look at this thing. Very nice. As you can see here, it is, guys. It is heavy. I mean, this thing's like a brick. Good God. I mean, it is 20,000 milliamps, guys. That's a lot. I mean, good God. You can definitely charge your laptop, your tablet, and everything. Your smartphone about 6 times. And I'll put some diagrams so you can see how many times you can actually charge it with one of these fully charged puppies. So let's get into it. So there's the company logo on the top left. On the bottom right, you do have the Type-C PD 45 watt, I believe that is what it says. Very nice. So you do have your button right here to indicate how much charge it has. Input and out. So it's pretty cool. This is in and out. Type-C PD out is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. It does look like it's 3.0. So 3.0 versus 2.0. That's usually what the blue is. Let's check out the back right here. This is the most information right here. Type-C PD power bank, 20,000 milliamps. Good God. Model PD 4001, capacity 3.7 volts at 74 watts per hour. I don't know, WH, whatever that stands for. Input Type-C 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts. Basically what I read. So you can see, you can pause there and see more if you need that. But overall, it's pretty cool. Made in China. Like I said, it's a little heavy, but hey, you have it in your book bag, your pocket, you'll be fine. You do push this button right here and it will tell you how much charge it has. So this one has about 87% charge, and you can charge it the way to charge this. Hey guys, so welcome back to another Coin Conform video. So today we're doing the review of the Emigvela 20,000 milliamp portable battery charger. So as you can see, this thing's pretty huge. It's pretty heavy too at that, but as you can see, it is the Type C PD 45 watt. It's amazing. You can push the little button right here and it'll show you how much battery percentage there is. So 99% there. I did test out how long it takes to fully charge from 0% all the way to about 99 or 100. As you can see, guys, 20,000 milliamps is going to take a while. I do use a Samsung quick charge to charge this up, so I'm pretty sure that helps a little bit. But here it is to charge it up. It is a Type C right there. You just connect you connect your plug in there and it will start charging in. What's cool about this is it is a Type C in and out, so that means you can charge it with a Type C, but as well, if you use one of the cables it comes with, it's a Type C to a Type C. As you can see, you can charge your phone with this as well. So plug one in right here. I'll show you how easy it is, and then just connect your other phone with the Type C. So this is the Nokia 6.1 inch. Just plug it into the other end. So you can see it's plugged in right here, and you just push the little button right here, and there you go, it's charging already. So as you can see, I don't know if that'll focus, but it is charging up there with a little lightning bulb. So and then it will say charging on the bottom. There you go. So that's how easy that is. Or you can use a regular USB cable to charge this. So if you have an iPhone or a micro USB, you can still plug it in right there in this end. It'll say it's a 5-volt 2.4 amps out. So right there, see if it focuses. But yeah, you get it. It's right there. It's pretty cool. So you do get two cables with it. Here you go. So you just, this other end, this is Type C. So you can charge this as well. You just put this to wall adapter and then you will start charging it. Now guys, everybody knows, like I said, I did test this out to see how long it takes. It takes a solid about 5 hours from 0% all the way to about 99%. Like I said, 20,000 milliamps per charge. It takes about 3 minutes, give or take. Like I said, I am using a Samsung quick charge, so your results may vary, but I did test it out. 1% took about 3 minutes. So if you do the math, it takes about 5 hours from 0% to charge this up, which is not bad, and it will last you a lot of charges. I tested it out with all these, and you guys know I travel with a lot of phones when I'm making videos, so it's pretty cool. You can charge a MacBook, your Nintendo Switch, your PSP, your laptop. My laptop I'm recording with, I charged it up because it does take a Type C. It's a Razer Blade. But here are just some of the devices that I use right here. It's a lot of phones, so I tried it with all these devices. Works perfectly fine. So the Nokia 6.1, as you can see there, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, big battery, and also depends how big the battery are. You know, because that will drain more juice. Here's the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. As you can see in the Poetic case, you can check that out. Also, I just found this out. My wife found this actually for me. It was my old PSP, so as you can see, my old PSP, you can charge it because I do have the adapter that takes basic USB to the 5-volt adapter right here. So it's pretty cool. It does work with that with PSP. So you know, if you're a gamer, like I said, you're a Nintendo Switch or have kids, this perfectly if you travel a lot. Like I said, I did travel recently and I did take this with me, and that's how I tested out. I was taking a lot of videos, my phone was dying, so boom, had that with me. Takes iPhone as well. Like I said, just use the adapter, the Moto E5 Plus, and the Huawei Elevate. I believe that's what it's called. So I've tried it with all those phones, guys, and everything works perfectly fine on it. It's amazing, actually. And there's actually a promo code that the company actually sent me this, guys, for a review. And like I said, I'm thankful because I use this all the time. But it does cost $50. It is Amazon's top selling item, and it's for a reason. Everybody has good ratings on it, but it does cost $50. You might be saying, wow, that's a lot, guys, but you can use my promo code in the description below that they actually gave me to give you guys, and you can get it for about $15 or 70% off of the value. So check that out in the description below, guys. Get you one and tell them, you know, Dragon Warfare sent you there. It's pretty cool. So thank you.